ISCP Awareness Training, Step 2. Information System Contingency Planning. Conduct the Business Impact Analysis, BIA. Business Impact Analysis. The BIA is a key step in implementing the CP controls in NIST SP 853 and the contingency planning process overall. The BIA enables the ISCP coordinator to characterize the system components, supported mission business processes, and interdependencies. The BIA purpose is to correlate the system with the critical mission business processes and services provided, and based on that information, characterize the consequences of a disruption. Results from the BIA should be appropriately incorporated into the analysis and strategy development efforts for the organization's COOP, ISCPs, and DRP. Business Impact Analysis Process Diagram for the Information Systems. Determine business processes and recovery criticality. An information system can be very complex and often supports multiple mission business processes, resulting in different perspectives on the importance of system services or capabilities. The ISCP coordinator should analyze the supported mission business processes and with the process owners, leadership, and business managers determine the acceptable downtime if a given process or specific system data were disrupted or otherwise unavailable. Maximum tolerable downtime. The MTD represents the total amount of time the system owner, authorizing official, is willing to accept for a mission business process outage or disruption and includes all impact considerations. Determining MTD is important because it could leave contingency planners with imprecise direction on 1. Selection of an appropriate recovery method, and 2. The depth of detail which will be required when developing recovery procedures, including their scope and content. Recovery time objective. RTO defines the maximum amount of time that a system resource can remain unavailable before there is an unacceptable impact on other system resources, supported mission business processes, and the MTD. Determining the information system resource, RTO, is important for selecting appropriate technologies that are best suited for meeting the MTD. When it is not feasible to immediately meet the RTO and the MTD is inflexible, a plan of action and milestones should be initiated to document the situation and plan for its mitigation. Recovery point objective. The RPO represents the point in time prior to a disruption or system outage to which mission business process data can be recovered, given the most recent backup copy of the data after an outage. Unlike RTO, RPO is not considered as part of MTD. Rather, it is a factor of how much data loss the mission business process can tolerate during the recovery process. Because the RTO must ensure that the MTD is not exceeded, the RTO must normally be shorter than the MTD. Identify resource requirements. Realistic recovery efforts require a thorough evaluation of the resources required to resume mission business processes as quickly as possible.
Working with management and internal and external POCs associated with the system, the ISCP coordinator should ensure that the complete information system resources are identified.
Identify system resource recovery priorities. Recovery priorities can be effectively established, taking into consideration mission business process criticality, outage impacts, tolerable downtime, and system resources. The result is an information system recovery priority hierarchy. The ISCP coordinator should consider system recovery measures and technologies to meet the recovery priorities. This concludes ISCP Awareness, Step 2. To continue, Go to ISCP Awareness Step 3.